Okay, so I'm having a night at the Drove now that it's back open, and yeah, I don't buy mixed nuts and seeds. I buy them all separate and then put them in the little shaker and mix them up. Just a shame I've got all this plastic afterwards, but I burn it. As well as everything else, I am now parked up just on Stonehenge, just on the Drove, and I'm going to start removing this pallet wood. As you can see, I've removed one piece. Just like a fiberglass locker, and that is the original material. All I'm doing is putting this cladding. Yep, so I'm going to replace it with this cladding, and yeah, burn the rest of it. Okay, anyone that's new to my channel on the bus, or you just haven't seen the bus back in its day of being a bus, yeah, this is there is like the coach material on top of these, and inside these squares was the air conditioning and light controls. But yeah, there is all the pallet wood from there, and this is the new stuff that'll be going up. It's starting to go dark, but that's what we got up to now. A little bit of trimming to do down here because I've still got pallet wood in the corner, and then I've got to put these end pieces back on, and that is that, looking a hell of a lot neater. Okay, I will be modifying this bit here at some point. I think I just need something to tidy up the edges. Yes, I could have cut things straight, but I'm only using that little hand saw in the van and using the counter as the workbench. Right, quick apologies, lack of filming, been busy doing real life stuff, which is sometimes good, but mostly boring, but it has to be done. I'm trying to get the van ready for quirky, so I've got some parts that I've bought that I need to fit. I've got some welding that I want to do. I got some welding that needs to be done because when I was in the Lake District, I bent a bit of the outer sill, so I'm just going to get that bit cut out and filled back or replaced. I've got new products to look at. I've had half a look at it, but I'm going to do a video with that. And yeah, some bits that I bought for the van. So yeah, this is because I don't trust my gauges anymore, so I've got oil temperature, oil pressure and a voltmeter there. I've got a sandwich plate coming to go in between the oil filter and the actual engine itself, the block. And then I think I've got I can't think what it's called. It goes in between the two rubber pipes, so it looks like that, and it sort of slots into the coolant pipe, and it's got valves on it and sensors going to gauges, as well as a fuel sender, because my fuel gauge hasn't been right since it went wrong. It's all over the place, and I haven't seen it move actually for, well, maybe because I don't put enough diesel in, but it doesn't move anymore. And then all of a sudden it'll go all the way to the top, and it'll stay at the top even if I've got no fuel. So yeah, I'm gonna replace that as well. Right, I wish I could have shown you that. Literally, I've just been outside to pull the mirrors out. I'll be going soon. Oh my god, the wind. This is mental. Like, it is. I had to stand the other side of the van while the door was open. I come back in, and the skylight was half open. Oh, I thought it was going to go. And it's a glass skylight as well. If that goes, it's going. Wow. Storm Gareth. And I'm in the Brecon Beacons. I'm only here for a night, just passing through. Yes, Storm Gareth. So, I've stopped. I've just been on the phone to recovery Basically, because of the wind today and the rain, my air filter is saturated and the van cut out and won't start. Now I haven't flooded the engine because the engine's still cranking over fine, and I've taken out the dipstick. I'm still good for oil. I'm just going to call 101 now because I've been advised by my recovery team that if I'm not in a safe place to give them a ring, and I don't really think I am. So let's do this now. This is the problem, like, all you want to do is speak to somebody. So as you can see, I tried, because this is uphill, I tried to get the van off the road as much as I can, but as you can see there, I can't even open that door. So yeah, I'm protruding. So let me do this. So I'm protruding into lane 1 slightly. There is a second lane there. This is a creeper lane. I should really wait outside the vehicle, and that's what I'd recommend anyone else to do. Yeah, I will be doing that. No, seriously, like, if you ever break down somewhere like this, just go and stand over there. Go and stand safe. I might even put a jacket on and do that myself in a minute. I have phoned 101 as my recovery agent has advised, and they have outsourced to a local firm to come out and start the van. The van is going to start. I've done this before. The down pipe, or the intake pipe, induction pipe, used to be at the bottom grill and come up. I removed it completely and never had a problem since, but water still splashes in the engine bay, so now I need to reroute it where water can't splash. Absolute nightmare, but the weather has been crazy, absolutely mental all day today. Right, let's hope we can get this started and avoid any massive bills. Okay, the van is there, it's feeling sorry for itself. I'm stood outside. I can see I've put on my big high-vis warm jacket with the skinniest of woolly tops. So yeah. Yeah, and that's why my recovery agent have asked me to call 101. I'm waiting inside the van. I'm leaving the door ajar so I can vacate if necessary. But because my recovery agent have asked me to call 101, if I didn't and someone hit the van, yeah, I might not get a payout. I might not get the van replaced. So I've made everyone aware that they're going to be here within the hour, which is good. Dry out this air filter a little bit, and then yeah, get going. I'm enjoying a cuppa with this amazing scenic view. What I think has happened is the air filter's got saturated. That stopped the air from getting through. That's cut out the engine. Me trying to start it with the air filter in place, I think that's drained the battery down. I'm hoping that removing the air filter and bump starting it will start. It will start. Then I need to drive to. I don't even know what time it is. I don't even know if I'll get an air filter today from somewhere. I don't fancy driving with a soggy air filter. That's the problem. I reckon that is what's happened anyway. So, touch wood, touching all this wood. Hopefully, fingers crossed, that is what's gone on today. I have just removed the air filter. I'll try and get it in some light. Yeah, that there is dripping. I can shake water out of it, but this side isn't. So I'm hoping that's just got soaking wet. And this air filter was clean a couple of months ago. Like, you've seen me do the video on that, maybe 10 months or so. So yeah, I need to sort out that, get a snorkel or something, or some pipe work, and actually route it away from the road. Right, okay, little update. I am going to get my towing eye out. Right, so this police officer here doesn't want to be on camera, nor the reg of the patrol vehicle. He's going to give me a tow off now, and I'll be back soon. So that is the police car and the police officer going, which is nice. We'll keep his reg out of it, like he asked. That's me. I've been pulled to safety from the police, which was nice. So I'm just gonna go back in the van now. I'm gonna call the recovery and let them know that I'm up the road in a lay-by. Yeah, at no point in me putting the camera towards me because I don't think you'll see me. We'll try. Can you see me now? Basically, it was 4 o'clock when I first called the recovery. It's now nearly 7 o'clock, and the rugby's just finished. So, yeah, I'll be giving them a ring on Monday morning. And they can refund the policy. Oh look! This could be my truck. There we go. Right, let's go and see what the gentleman has to say for himself. Right, I think this recovery company is having a laugh. Yeah, their jump pack won't start the van because it's flat. And they want to recover me to a garage so that they get the recovery fee. So I've said no, and they're sending out a service van with an Anderson hook up, you know, so I can do the jump leads from the back. But he still wants to put me on the truck so that I can go to Asda so that they can charge for being on the truck. Well, it looks like, yet again, another recovery truck. Yeah, recovery truck. Right, so the van won't start. Don't know why. Something to do with the fuel. So a few snacks, a couple of Guinnesses, and yeah, get recovered to the garage. So as you can see, the van is on the truck there. It will start with easy start, but then will not continue starting. There's a wire from the fuel pump that looks damaged, looks all corroded, so hopefully it's that. Hopefully I'll be running tomorrow. If not, I might reconsider owning this van and replacing it for another one. But we'll see. Like, I got a few beers, I'm gonna drink them, I've got a sandwich, so that is that. So once again, this is fuel saving level expert. There is the petrol station. It has cost me 0 pence, 0p, and yeah, the van is on the back. But gladly, I got a Guinness in hand, a couple of sandwiches, and I'll rip it apart in the morning and we'll see. Okay, we are back at the garage. Yeah, that is where the van is going to be. Hopefully I can get a repair done tomorrow or Monday. Yeah.